ultimate forestry showdown. We're pitting the biggest, fastest, and most powerful machines against each other in a battle for logging supremacy. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Man, those guys were amazing. They were so skilled and worked together seamlessly. Seeing them in action, making sure everyone was safe and sound, was truly inspiring. It made me realize that even a task like removing a tree requires careful consideration and respect for the environment. We need... Whoa! Did you see that? Talk about a close call. It really highlights the importance of safety gear. Ooh! Holy shit! This Lishai 240.8 degrees Fahrenheit with the Woody WH60-1 head presents a compelling value proposition. Its performance in the Tver region forests is notable, challenging preconceptions about Chinese excavators. The inclusion of the forest cart, full protection package, and automatic fire extinguisher mitigates risk and enhances operational efficiency. Long-term durability will be a key factor in determining its ultimate viability.